Of course, we want to get a look outside right now. The rain is falling here in San Francisco as we take a look at Coit Tower. Gail Long joining us now with the details on what to expect. Hey, Gail.
Hello, Dan. Yes, the winds are going to be a big factor in this next storm system, which we're already seeing some rain here at the Golden Gate Bridge. You can see wet roads out there and some raindrops on our camera lens. So here's our storm right here. It's moving from the south here, tapping into that subtropical moisture known as the atmospheric river, and also coming from the north. We have a cold front dropping in, so those two systems. So here's where we are right now, this 8 p.m. hour. San Jose, Half Moon Bay, spotty showers here at San Francisco, and even Pleasanton. So it's going to intensify in the overnight hours, and this is why you see that cold front I was talking about from the north and the atmospheric river here in the south. Those two systems merging, creating a stormy pattern and bringing those high winds along the coast and across the Bay Area. So that's going to be a major factor in terms of damages, widespread power outages, trees down, so be very careful out there. Here's our futurecast model. So 8 p.m. hour right now. This is 10 p.m. You could see that's when we're starting to see that moderate and heavy rain band moving on in. And now take a look at the overnight. This is 2 a.m. from San Francisco, North Bay, and then down to the South Bay. This looks like it is tracking south towards the Central Coast and the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's where we're seeing a lot of the rain totals from this, and also mixed with those windy conditions. That's when we could see some serious damage. And then this is Sunday morning, widespread scattered showers, even thunderstorms. Now, when I come back, we'll be showing you the extended forecast and what you need to know to get through the rest of the weekend.
All right, Gail, thanks a lot. This is Coit Tower in San Francisco. We know that the rain is falling out there. Let's check in now with Gail Long. Hey, Gail.
Hello, Dan. Yeah, we are seeing some heavy rain moving in, and that is right on schedule. We're expected to see it intensify in the overnight hours. So hopefully a lot of you are home and don't have to be out on the roads. So I want to show you the Golden Gate Bridge where you can see, just take a look at the raindrops on the screen. So that says it all, and you can even see that rain pounding on the roads there. So definitely really slick out there. I am seeing storm reports of some ponding around 280, an area that tends to get flooded. And you can see all this moisture out here at this 11 p.m. hour. Let's zoom on in to see where this activity is now. So you see this moderate cell moving through the coast here, San Francisco, Half Moon Bay, and then it's even reaching inland and Pleasanton, Antioch, Stockton. So zooming on in here, you could see just 280 is getting drenched right now, 101 by Redwood City, 880 by Fremont and Union City and Hayward. SFO also has some wet roads, so if you have a flight heading out tomorrow specifically, you want to keep a check on those alerts because we could see some delays and maybe cancellations as that heavy rain will be moving in tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So when I come back, we'll be timing this all out for you because we have a lot to talk about. We have strong winds. We have a high wind advisory, high wind warning, and also a flood watch and flood warnings in the South Bay. Back to you, Dan.
All right, Gail, thanks a lot. Taking a look from our Sutro Tower cam at San Francisco, looking pretty dark out there. We know the rain has already been moving into the Bay Area tonight. Gail Long joining us with a look ahead. Hey, Gail.
Hello, Dan. Yes, and this is the time we're starting to see the heavy bands move in, and it is expected to intensify in the overnight. So let's take you right to our satellite and radar, shall we? So we want to show you what it looks like here right now. We have area of low pressure that is right up to the north, and that's going to be dropping down south here. Here I am, and here's the radar. I'm a little faster here because we have a big storm coming. So zooming on in, we want to show you where the activity is right now at this hour. So you can see it's aiming towards the south here. So San Francisco towards San Jose and a little closer here. I am seeing storm reports of some ponding on 280 by the Cesar Chavez exit. That's an area that tends to get flooded here. So as you can see, these yellow areas, San Francisco, San Mateo, and then towards Livermore, San Ramon, you're seeing some downpours right now. North Bay, though, we're not seeing the yellows and the oranges right now, but this storm is mainly going to be focusing towards the Santa Cruz Mountains and the Central Coast. I know there's already some evacuation warnings down south there over in Monterey County. So this is the Futurecast model, 2 a.m. here. San Rafael, San Francisco, Pacifica, and then notice the Santa Cruz Mountains expected to see some moderate to heavy cells, even some mountain snow in the North Coast right above Santa Rosa and Ukiah. So this is 6 a.m. Santa Rosa, that's when you're going to see some heavy downpours towards Petaluma towards San Francisco here, and then right over there in the Santa Cruz Mountains, Felton, Ben Lomond, that area we're really worried about. And this is 9 a.m. now, where a lot of you are up, and I know you have some weekend plans. So Santa Rosa, North Bay, Napa, you look like you'll be drenched. San Francisco and Pacifica. And notice we could see a thunderstorm here in Half Moon Bay. And then towards the afternoon, that activity should be diminishing, and we could be seeing some widespread scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms throughout the evening and into Monday. So these are the projected rain totals, about 3 inches up there in Santa Rosa, 2 inches now. This is also going to be a snowmaker as well. So with all that rain, we have flood watches and warnings down in San Jose and the Santa Cruz Mountains. And then those snow totals, there's a winter storm warning, so not a good idea to travel to the Sierra as we are expecting feet of snow. And it's not even about the rain, it's all about the winds as well. So high wind warning, wind advisories in place, and these are the current winds right now, 24 mile an hour. And then we'll take you into the overnight hours. So 40 miles an hour here, 36, and then even at 7 a.m. seeing up to 50 miles an hour in Half Moon Bay. So it's very dangerous out there. 7-day forecast here. Sunday, Monday, those are those days you want to be aware. Looks like we get a break from all this on Wednesday.
Yeah, but we got to hunker down for the time being, listen to the officials, and pay attention to what's being said.
Yes.
All right, Gail, thank you.
Sure.